Developers who want to advance in their careers should choose a programming language that not only appeals to them, but also paves the path for a positive future. That is why it is always a good idea to study and practice a programming language that is in high demand among top businesses. Hello everyone, and welcome to a brand new video on the channel. Today, we are going to talk about top programming languages to learn for a tech career. Before we get started with the video, don't forget to smash the like button, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Python. Python is a high-level interpreted programming language designed with readability as its primary goal. It supports a variety of programming paradigms, including procedural, object-oriented, and functional programming. Python's extensive standard library and active community make it an appropriate choice for a wide range of applications, including web development and data analysis. Strengths: versatile, huge libraries, excellent community support, and easy to learn. Python is best known for its role in data science and machine learning, thanks to packages such as TensorFlow and Pandas. Weaknesses: a little slower than compiled languages, which may cause performance issues in essential applications. Use cases include data science, machine learning, online application development, and automation. Python is the language of choice for data scientists, and it dominates academia. Popularity: it consistently ranks near the top of surveys, among developers and job posts. According to the 2023 Stack Overflow Developer Survey, Python is both the most desired and second most popular programming language. Number 2. JavaScript. JavaScript is a high-level language used mostly in web development. It provides the competing power of dynamic content on websites and is compatible with all recent web browsers. Then, with Node.js, JavaScript gained popularity for server-side development, making it one of the most important languages in full-stack development. Strengths: it is widely used in web development, has a big ecosystem, and can do asynchronous tasks. JavaScript, which benefits greatly from its frameworks and libraries, is essential for modern web development. Weaknesses: difficult with huge codebases and browser incompatibilities. One of the most difficult aspects of producing JavaScript code is the complexity it creates due to its dynamic nature and inconsistencies between different browsers, making it extremely tough to debug or simply maintain. Use cases include front-end and back-end development, using Node.js, as well as full-stack development. Overall, with JavaScript serving as the foundation for interactive web apps, any web developer must be familiar with it. Number 3. Java. Java is an object-oriented, class-based language that has as few implementation dependencies as possible. It is notable for its system independence, thanks to the Java Virtual Machine, JVM. Nowadays, it is widely used in enterprise environments, as well as in the development of Android apps and large-scale systems. Strengths include platform independence, performance, and maturity. Java's write once, run anywhere feature is extremely important for cross-platform applications. Weaknesses: verbose syntax and long setup times. Java's verbosity may make any code take longer to maintain and write. Use cases include enterprise applications, Android development, and big data. Java is widely used in organizations and is one of the languages at the heart of Android application development. Number 4. C#. C# is a modern, high-level object-oriented programming language created by Microsoft. It is a part of the .NET ecosystem that literally means being easy, robust, and capable of empowering a developer to create any type of application, whether on the desktop, online, or even in a mobile environment. Strengths: integration with the .NET ecosystem, robustness, and ease of use. C# has excellent support for new programming paradigms and is highly capable of developing Windows applications. Weaknesses: C# is heavily reliant on Microsoft platforms. Despite improvements with .NET Core, C# is still widely utilized in the Microsoft environment. Use cases include Unity-based game development and enterprise applications. C# is the primary language for producing games in Unity, and it is also widely utilized in enterprise applications. Number 5. C++. C++ is undoubtedly a powerful expansion of ordinary C that incorporates object-oriented capabilities. It also has excellent performance and efficiency, making it ideal for system programming, game creation, and applications that require real-time processing. Strengths include high performance and low-level memory manipulation. C++ is widely used in system development because it allows for granular control over system resources, making it a good choice for high-performance applications. Weaknesses: complicated syntax, longer learning curve. The complexity of C++ can be overwhelming for a newcomer, and its extensive feature set requires a thorough grasp to use successfully. Use cases include system programming, game engines, and performance-critical applications. C++ is one of the most widely used languages for developing operating systems, game engines, and real-time simulation systems. Number 6. PHP. PHP is a server-side scripting language designed for internet development, although it may also be used as a generic computer language. Its primary applications include the development of dynamic websites and content management systems, CMS. Strengths: simple to learn, vast community for help, and ideal for web development. Another advantage of PHP is its simplicity of deployment, particularly its strong connection with databases, such as MySQL. Weaknesses include security vulnerabilities and large-scale performance issues. PHP's dynamic nature makes it vulnerable to security issues, and its pace is slower than that of many emerging languages. Use cases: web development and content management systems. PHP powers many of today's most popular websites and content management systems, including WordPress. Number 7. Ruby. Ruby is an open-source dynamic language that prioritizes usability and productivity. It has a very clean syntax that is simple to understand and write. Strengths include high readability, syntax simplicity, productivity, and Ruby on Rails, a sophisticated web development framework. Ruby is noted for being developer-friendly and having a fast development speed. Weaknesses: lower runtime performance, less frequent in enterprise environments. Ruby may be slower than other languages, which might cause issues for performance-critical applications. Number 8. Swift. Swift is a powerful and simple programming language for macOS, iOS, watchOS, and tvOS. Swift development is interactive and enjoyable. Its syntax is simple but expressive, and it includes popular modern developer features. Strengths include modern syntax, safety features, and performance. Swift is designed to be secure by default, minimizing common coding errors while optimizing for performance. Weaknesses: limited to the Apple ecosystem. The community is smaller than that of other languages. While Swift's usage is rapidly expanding, the majority of it remains within Apple's ecosystem. Number 9. R. R is a language and environment for visual and statistical computation, as well as graphics. It is a well-liked option for data analysis and academic study due to the fact that it is really extensible and possesses a broad variety of capabilities and approaches in its area of expertise. One of its strengths is that it was developed specifically for statistical computation and data visualization, and it also includes substantial libraries for statistical analysis. The programming language R is a well-developed environment that excels in the areas of data manipulation, computation, and visualization. The overall performance on wide tasks is slower, and the learning curve is longer for individuals who do not have a foundation in statistics. These are both weaknesses. R is not as well suited for the operations that fall outside of its statistical scope. Information analysis, statistical analysis, and academic research are all examples of applications. In the field of statistics and data analysis, the computer language known as R is utilized. Number 10. SQL. When it comes to managing and processing relational databases, SQL is the language that is in the standard. As a consequence of this, it is an incredibly helpful instrument for querying and maintaining databases in a wide variety of settings. A database management tool that is quite helpful and geared for manipulation is one of its strengths. The structured query language, SQL, is an essential tool for managing and manipulating structured data. It is a language that was developed for the aim of data manipulation rather than for general-purpose programming due to its weaknesses. When it comes to applications that do not require a database, SQL cannot be applied because it is a highly specialized language. That's it for today's video. If you liked what you saw, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. And don't forget to check the description box for links to purchase the items featured in this video.